first step, and we as a family publicly want to be perfectly clear that we want this vicious thug to be prosecuted to the fullest extent the law allows.
Off the top at 6, strong words from the family of a rabbi murdered to the teen who is now under arrest. That alleged gunman, only 15 years old.
And now police are urging the other people involved to come forward. We begin our team coverage with Local 10 News crime specialist John Turchin live in Miami.
Well, they say that because investigators are confident that this kid didn't act alone, that he had help with possibly one, maybe two others. In fact, they're working some pretty good leads right now. Now, that said, a year and a half after this rabbi's murder shook this community, there is closure of sorts.
We have too many guns on the street, we have too many young shooters on our streets, and we have too many victims.
Strong words from Miami-Dade State Attorney as she announced the arrest of DeAndre Charles, just 14 years old, when she says he pulled the trigger and killed Rabbi Joseph Raksin 16 months ago.
This is the first step, and we as a family publicly want to be perfectly clear that we want this vicious thug to be prosecuted to the fullest extent the law allows.
Before a packed room, many from South Florida's Orthodox Jewish community, the rabbi's daughter called the day bittersweet.
His murder at the hands of the thugs has caused an emptiness and a void that cannot be replaced.
Rabbi Raksin was shot and killed as he walked to synagogue that Saturday morning, August 9th last year. Originally, police suspected this might have been a hate crime. However, they now strongly believe it was just what it appears, an armed robbery.
At this point, to us, it was a crime of opportunity. It was mean, cold, and he didn't have any money on him, so he shot and killed him.
She wouldn't share too many details about the case other than this.
There was DNA evidence, both of the victim and the perpetrator.
While the cloud has lifted somewhat from this family and this community, the county's top cop had a warning for Charles' accomplices.
It's not over until we get guilty verdicts and everyone involved is behind bars. So let me be clear to the perpetrators. If you're watching this, turn yourselves in, or we will.
As he was saying, they would come get him. Well, officially, Charles is charged with first-degree murder and attempted armed robbery with a deadly weapon. We'll have so much more on this in the coming days. He should have a court appearance in the next 24 hours. Reporting live, I'm John Turchin, Local 10 News.